Hi guys, today let us begin the third module by starting the concept of machine tools and the operations performed by these tools. Well, what is machining? It is a process which involves the removal of excess materials from the metallic object. This is done to obtain the required shape and size for the application. Several machines are used for performing the various operations. Here, we are going to study some of the operations which are performed by a lathe, a drilling machine and a milling machine. So now, let us move on to lathes. Well, lathe is a machine tool which is used to remove excess of the material by forcing a cutting tool against a rotating workpiece. Well, these type of machines are also called as turning machines since the workpiece is rotated between two center points. The lathe machine is known as mother of all machines as most of the machining operations can be performed in this machine. Now, let us study some of the operations which are performed using the lathe. First, cylindrical turning. Well, this is the operation of removing excess material from the workspace to produce a cylindrical surface. This operation is used to convert any shape of the workpiece into a perfect cylinder. Well, in operation, the workpiece is held rigidly and rotated between the two centers of the lathe. They are known as the live center and the dead center. Now, the cutting tool is fed against the revolving workpiece in a direction parallel to the lathe axis. Hence, material is removed longitudinally and we get a cylindrical surface. This turning can be done in two steps, that is rough turning where the workpiece is turned to the closest required dimension by faster feed rates and then finish turning in which it is turned to the accurate required dimension at slow rates. Next, facing. Well, this is the operation for generating a flat surface at the end of the workpiece. Here, one end of the workpiece is held rigidly by the chuck of the lathe, while the other end is left freely. The cutting tool is fed in a direction perpendicular to that of the lathe axis. Hence, this produces a flat surface at the end of the workpiece. Also, we can see that the facing operation can be used to reduce or cut the workpiece to the required length. Next, knurling. Well, knurling is a process which produces crisscross patterns on the surface of the metallic workpiece. In operation, the workpiece is made to revolve at a slow speed. The knurling tool having the required pattern is then pressed against the rotating workpiece. Hence, as the pressure increases, the tool will produce its pattern on the surface of the workpiece. By the process of knurling, a variety of knurled patterns can be produced. Some of them are shown below. First, we have the straight pattern which consists of straight and parallel lines. Next, we have the diamond pattern which consists of objects resembling diamonds. In the sense, the shape of each unit is similar to that of a diamond. Then we have angle pattern. In this, a set of lines are inclined to each other at a certain equal angle. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.